Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Payoneer app not working issue. First, check that your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Payoneer app, swipe it away completely, wait for a few while and open it again. Then, go to your phone settings, open app, select Payoneer and clear the app cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. After that, restart your phone. Also, head over to your app store, search for Payoneer, and check if there is a new update available in the app store. Update the app to the latest version if it is available. If the app is still not working, go ahead and long press on the Payoneer app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for Payoneer, and reinstall it again from the app store. Then, most of the time, updating or clearing the app cache solves the problem. That's how to fix the Payoneer app not working. So don't forget to